We are at a unique stage in our history. Never before have we had such an awareness of what we are doing to the planet. And never before have we had the power to do something about that. Surely we have a responsibility to care for our blue planet. The future of humanity, and indeed all life on Earth, now depends on us.
Running away is easy. It's the leaving that's hard. Running away is easy. Running away.
Nature once determined how we survive.